Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you how I created this flyer using the Pixellab application. Make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, and also make sure you share this video to your friends. Let's get into the video. Right, here we are in Pixellab. What you want to do first is to head over to your image size, then impute 1122 by 1280. Apparently that's the size I used for this design, and I'll press OK. I'll go over to my main design I did. I'll review it to see how I can replicate this design. Then I'll switch off the layer. I'll go to my color, go to gradients, then I'll select my color from this place. I'll go over to this place, then go to color picker. Go to my color picker, then I'll pick this color. I'll press OK, and I'll go over to this other color, edit color, go to my color picker, then I'll click this color over here, and I'll press OK. So this is the color I'll be using for this design. Let me do some adjustments. So I think that's okay for me. Then I'll go to this plus button here. I'll click from gallery to import my materials I use for this design. I'll just quickly import the materials. I'll import this background. Yes. Then I'll go over to relative size in order to make the size relative in proportion. I'll go to relative position, then I'll centralize it horizontally and vertically. I'll go to my opacity, then reduce the opacity. I like to reduce the opacity. Then color filter, I'll just decrease the saturation a little bit. Then that's okay. I like to still edit my color. Go to color, then go to plus button, then I'll still do some adjustment to this color. I think that's fine for me. Then I'll go to my plus button again. I will firstly import this washing machine. Let me lock this layer so they don't move anytime I want to make an adjustment. Then I'll go to this washing machine, then I'll just adjust it. Click my plus button, import this rider delivery guy image, then I'll place it over here. I'll go to from gallery again. I'll place this cylinder image over here. Then I'll go to my plus button, the last but not the least. I'll just click this, then okay, I didn't use this, so I'll just delete it. Oh, so these images, I'll just make some adjustments to these images. I'll just adjust them. Of course, I'll bring this rider to the front. I'll bring this cylinder to the back. Make some adjustments, some quick adjustments to my images. Bring my washing machine, then this rider image, I'll just bring it over here. I'm just trying to make adjustments, so just be patient, guys. Just trying to make sure everything aligns and it's in the right proportion. Okay, that's fine for now. Then next thing I will do is to bring in my text. my text. If you can see that at the back of the text I created a shape, so just head over to this plus button, go to shapes, create a rectangle shape, so any desired size, so long as it fits in. Okay, this is fine for me. Then I'll go to color, I'll go to this button, then I'll add color, enable the color button, go to gradient. I like to use this same gradient, but I would like to do some adjustment to these gradients. Please guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and also hit the notification button so you get notified anytime I upload a video. So this is okay for me. Then the text I typed is laundry. This laundry is on its own. Laundry. And I'll copy it. Laundry logistics. Then cooking gas. That's okay. Then I'll go to laundry. The text I use, the font I use for this laundry is called Helvetica. So I'll go to my font panel, I'll head over to Helvetica. I'll drop the files below the description so you can replicate this design. I use Helvetica, I think compressed, yeah, Helvetica compressed. So I'll just extend it to fit in. That's okay. I'll also use Helvetica for this logistics cooking gas. Helvetica compressed. Yeah, that's fine. So I'll just make sure I decrease the leading, the line spacing, I'll just make sure I bring them closely. I think that's fine. Then I'll zoom in to make sure I properly align the text. Alignment is key when you're designing. Make sure your designs, your materials and everything you're using for your designs are properly aligned. So that's fine. I'll just make sure I lock this layer so they don't shift anytime I am adjusting. I'll click the laundry, then I'll copy. I'll just type my hand. I'll just bring it over, just increase the size, then bring it over here. I would like to give it some space. You can see that the thing is actually looking like something that is cut out, so I'll give it some space. I'll reduce it, then I'll use my position tool to position it where it should be. For this, I actually use a different font, so you can just go over and play around with your fonts. Let me try Poppins Bold. Okay, I think that's not good. Let me try Monsterrat Bold. I'm not cool with that. let me use MTN Bright and Sans. Okay, MTN Bright and Sans is quite okay for me. So again, I'll reduce the size, then I'll bring it closely. Just make sure I align it closely. Yeah, that's good. Then what next? I'll just type in, let me bring in my main design, so I'll see what's let me just type in, so I'll see what's I need to do. Okay, we do pick up and delivery also, so I'll just knock this and head over to this logistics, then copy and type we do pick up and delivery also. We do pick up and delivery also. So this text I also used, it's already there. So let me lock this layer. Please make sure you lock your layers anytime you are done editing, so the thing doesn't move around when you are trying to make adjustments, so you don't alter your designs. Just make sure I zoom in so I'll see what I'm doing. Make use of grid lines when you are designing to give it that right proportion, or to align your designs very well. So this is okay for me. Let me check the design. Okay, we do pick up, we do pick up and delivery also. We do pick up and delivery also. Then you can see I'll just increase my line spacing, so I'll separate this text. I'll zoom in. I'll increase it a little bit. Okay, so this is actually okay. You can see that the text, those that are supposed to be black, they are not actually black. So I'll just make sure I am sure. Then go to my black color, make it black. Go to my cooking gas, logistics and cooking gas, unlock, click, then make it black. So let's add our gradient to this laundry. I'll unlock the layer, the text, then I'll go to color, go to gradient, then just select this, then press add, then edit this black. I'll give it this orange feel. Yeah, so I'll go to this white also, still give it this orange feel, but just make sure I make it a little bit whitish. That's okay. I'll also edit to make sure I get the right color I used. So in case you are watching this video, please make sure you subscribe and share also. It will actually go a long way to encouraging me to create more videos using Pixellab application. Okay, I think this is fine. This is quite fine. This is fine. Let me increase the shade of the pink a little bit. Make it more shady. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. So the next thing, I want to make this video as short as possible. I'll just make sure I lock my layers so I don't actually move them whenever I need to do some adjustments. So this is fine for me. I want to still make some adjustment to my images, so I'll just unlock the layers. I want to make adjustment to unlock this, then this right, I'll just decrease the image a little bit. This I'll just move it up a little bit, and this I'll just bring it over a little bit, and that's okay for me. That's fine. So the next thing I'll just do is to this my hand is not looking black enough. It's not looking black enough, so I'll just make it black. You can see. Then I'll also decrease the size. Then I'll move it with my position 2. That's fine. So the next thing I'll just do is to quickly add my social media icons. Of course, I could just do that, but in order to make this video very brief, I'll just like to skip that a little bit. But my images, I would also like to make some adjustments. So I'll just click this button, then I'll just mark the areas I want to make adjustment. Click this other button, relative size, then I would like to decrease it. Okay, I would like to move them to the right a little, then use my position 2, move them. That's fine. So I'll just go to my shape 2, my shape. I'll create a rectangle shape below, so I'll place my location and the contact info. Yeah, you can see this rectangle here is covering this image, so I'll also like to shift the images up a little bit. Use my position 2, just move it a little bit. That's fine. I'll also like to move this laundry logistics and this other text up, so I'll use my position 2 also after marking, then move them up a little bit. So the next thing to do is to just add your location icon and your contact icon that I already have here, like this. So I'll just bring it up. Meanwhile, all the resources I use for this design, I will drop them below, so you can do your own editing. You can actually redesign this using Pixellab. Sorry, I'll just click this. Then I'll use my position 2. So meanwhile guys, in one of these videos I will make sure I explain how you can actually navigate through all of the tools in Pixellab to create awesome and creative designs. So I would like to centralize it using this. That's fine for me. Okay guys, this is actually how you can design this using the Pixellab application. I'll still adjust this. It's a very simple design. So guys, this is how you can design this simple design using the Pixellab application. Make sure you subscribe, like, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified. You can also share this video to other creatives who might think that they can't actually use Pixellab effectively, but with this tutorial you can actually navigate through most of the tools in Pixellab and create awesome designs. Thank you very much guys. See you in my next